This is the practice quiz, section 8.3 through 8.5, focusing just on section 4. Section 4 talks about raising a power to a power and a product to a power. Our rule is a power to a power, we multiply the exponents. So let's take a look at our problems. Here we have x cubed raised to the 4th. So we multiply 3 times 4 and get x to the 12th. Our next one, we have a power to a power with a tacked on problem at the front. So negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. Now, the same base as in problems 1 and 2, we add the exponents. So 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3. Moving over, we have a parentheses to a 0. It doesn't matter what's inside the parentheses. It could be 4,262. Anything to the 0 is 1. So without any extra work, you can say the answer is 1. On part D, we have x squared raised to the 3rd. So power to a power we multiply, times power to a power we also multiply x to the 10th. Same base, different exponents, add them. You got it. So that's x to the 16th. Let's look at problem 4. Raising a product to a power. Remember, product means multiplying together. So here we have two things on the inside, both cubed. Let's distribute that exponent of 3 on the outside to both things on the inside. Well, 2 cubed, and then x cubed, cubed. What is 2 cubed? Well, you know that that's 8, and a power to a power, as we saw in problem 3 straight above here, you multiply, and 3 times 3 is 9. Be careful, don't cube that 3 and make that a 27. Here we go on our next one. 3 to the negative 3, x to the negative 12. Why did I say negative 12? Well, power to a power we multiply. It looks like in both cases here we have negative exponents, so they need to go to the bottom. 1 over something on the bottom. Well, 3 cubed is 27, and the x to the 12th just stays the same. Let's keep moving along. It's nice as we have a power to a power, but I see something to the 0, so I want to simplify that first. Anything to the 0 is 1. Is the x to the 0 or the 2? Just the x. So we really just have 4 as the exponent on the outside with a 2 in the middle. 2 to the 4th? Well, we've talked about this before. A power of 4 means you square it twice. 2 squared is 4, 4 squared is 16. And that's our answer. Let's look at problem D. A combination of many different things. X to the 4th raised to the 2nd, you multiply your powers. X to the 8th. Now we have a chance to distribute. 2 cubed and x to the 10th cubed. Well, x to the 10th cubed is x to the 30th. Let's group them together. 2 cubed goes in front. That's 8. X to the 8th and x to the 30th are now in the back. Well, as we combine those together, that's x to the 38th. You add those exponents because they have the same base.